Hello and welcome to my channel Handmade Hues. So today I'm going to make a diary. It is a order of a personalized and customized diary for someone. So this, as you can see, it's a mold of diary A5 size, and so now, as you can see, I have properly mixed the resin and added colors, pigments like purple pigment and white pigment, two colors. So, and I have added those mixed pigment, resin and pigment to the mold, and I'm adding it in a diagonal shape to give it a great look. So see, purple I have already poured and white I am pouring. Before everything started, as you can see, I have taken all the safety measures, like I have gloves in my hand, I have wore apron, and also I have a well ventilated space before making this project. So please be careful with the safety measures. As you can see, now I'm adding this purple glitter to the in the middle part of the diary. So it is just the glitter and the resin. It is looking amazing. Let's see how it comes out. For the design I have selected, this is the base part. So there will be another top part of the diary. So see how I am doing it. For the top coat, you have to wait for 12 hours. 12 hours actually the resin takes to set, so that you can add a top layer to the base part. But if you want to demold it, then at least you have to wait for 24 hours to completely be taken out from the mold. So for the top part you have to wait for minimum 12 hours. So now see, I have my base is ready. The design I have set in my mind, so the design is ready, and I will let it set down for 12 hours for my next coat. As you know, it's a personalized order, so there was a demand to apply a name on the diary cover. So after the base is dried, as you can see, so now I'm applying the name on it. Now adding a little beauty to the product. So these are the flowers, hydrangea flowers, dried ones. You can fix it with the glue. See, I have also have the glue with me, this B7000. This is a perfect glue for every resin artist. So you can fix, because if you are not fixing the flowers with the glue, then the flowers will float. So this is the best way how you can fix the flower. Then it's a second layer I'm adding. So mixing the resin and the hardener with the given proportion, like 3:1 or 2:1, whatever you like you can use. Then it's a second layer I'm applying to both the parts, like top part and bottom part. You can see I'm demolding it, but it is after 24 hours. See, the final product is ready. Applied some rings to it, some paper to it, and it's done. It looks so awesome, isn't it? Please tell me in the comment section how much you liked it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.